Hey everyone, have you ever wondered how to find your ring at home without all the fuss? Well, today I'm going to show you how a nifty little trick that using Friends and Ernie's online ring size chart. And yes, you can also do it all from your mobile phone. Well, first things first, we need to ensure that your screen scale is accurate. And guess what we use for this? Credit card. Now that you have your credit card handy, what you want to do is go to friendsandernie.com and click on the ring size chart. Then we can read the instructions on the page, or just watch this video and go down to find my ring size. Once you get here, click on Let's Start and get your credit card and place it right on the screen, like so. And you want to also make sure that the screen right here, you match it up to the corner and bring it in so that right there, it doesn't get past X marks. It's within these edges. Okay, that should be right. And they have a little image that kind of fits right in. Okay, you can also do this on your mobile phone. And once you're done, click next. And then once you're ready, you can take your ring and kind of match up these holes and see where, if there's too much space, you want to fill in as much as you can. If there's some white space, it's not the right one. There's a little bit of white space, but we're getting close. And this fits just right, 6.5. So once you find that your size, then to go. Now, what if you don't have a ring? Well, click on the Don't Have a Ring link on the left. And what you can do is get a piece of paper. You want to go ahead and wrap it around where your ring is going to be. Not up at the knuckle, at the base of where it's going to be sitting at comfortably. Okay. Alright, so now that I have it there, I'm just going to overlap it just a little bit so I can see where it starts and ends. And then I'm going to show that right there. We'll mark it right where it's going to be sitting. Alright, so now that I have my mark, there it is. 6.5 is where I need to be. Alright, and there you have it. And don't forget that you can also do this on your mobile phone too. Okay, whether you're on the couch or sitting at home or even on the road or just at the mall or whatever. You can just whip up your phone, get this squared away, get a piece of paper, maybe a receipt or something, and get that done and you're on your way. Okay, thanks.